Today's lesson describes the structure and properties of carboxylic acids and esters. Carboxylic acids are carbon chains that contain a COOH or carboxyl group. Our carboxyl group is composed of a carbon double bonded to an oxygen and a hydroxyl group. These groups are always located at the end of carbon chains. To name carboxylic acids, replace the E of the alkane with oic acid. For example, methane becomes methanoic acid, and ethane becomes ethanoic acid. Carboxylic acids are found in many sour foods. They are polar and are able to form hydrogen bonds with themselves and water. Shorter carbon chains with carboxylic acid groups are miscible with water, but longer chains result in virtually insoluble molecules. If the carboxylic acids are soluble in water, then they have the properties of acids. To name carboxylic acids, identify the longest chain and then adjust the name by removing the E and adding oic. The parent chain is numbered to allow for labeling any of the branches. Carboxylic acids can be reacted with alcohols to create esters and water. This reaction is called esterification because esters are produced. Esters are similar to carboxylic acids, but the H atom of the carboxyl group has been replaced by a hydrocarbon. Esters can be identified by the carbon with a double bond to an oxygen and a single bond to another oxygen. There would be carbon chains bonded to each side of this functional group. Esters are naturally occurring organic compounds that are associated with strong odors or tastes. Depending on the form they take, esters have characteristic scents. Because esters are made up of carboxylic acid and an alcohol, the names of both of the reactants are combined. The name begins with the name of the alkyl group attached to the hydroxyl group from the alcohol. The second part of the name comes from the carboxylic acid, but the oic acid becomes O8. The ester here was made from methanol and propanoic acid. Methanol is changed to methyl, and propanoic acid is changed to propanoate. The name becomes methyl propanoate. Here is a summary of all the functional groups you've learned about, and we'll need to have an understanding of the structures, naming, properties, and reactions. This is your second last lesson for Chemistry 30. You were almost finished.